Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola. Budia. Bufinga mfundi. Sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samuja. Otubele. Otukala. Ambe zungulukata kumambende. Oni samuja. Otubele. Otukala. Wajabari. Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba. Feba. Watombolaka. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. Bimba. Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe. Feba. Na tombolaka. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. Bimba. Tomolotonda. Kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kanjini ayokela. Yokele kanjini ayokela. Yokela kanjini ayokela. Yokele kanjini ayokele. Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinyaja nsungma desiberi. Agana ni yembiri kiao na ni yembiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o. Na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba. Feba. Na tombolaka. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. Feba. Wafinka mfundi. Wafinka mfundi. nalamba mwamba lamba supwe natombolaka wasinga fundi wasinga fundi wasinga fundi wasinga fundi tamalatonda kundiri mwanga
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés, déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's stay together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi makambo ebele ya sala na kimia eloko nyonso komaka na ngonga nango.
Kiambote tatane.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Lunama vimpi
Tunama vimpi yeno
Tepe tunama vimpi. Well done. Let me just greet the audience. Hello. If you're watching, thank you very much. We thank you. Don't move. This is Kikongo Class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo, Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. I'm just trying a new format and see what's happened. Totally. Yes.
Okay.
Well done. Thank you for coming, Totally.
Sure.
You are brave. Yes. We will be talking, yeah?
Okay.
We are in the same room, yeah? We are sitting down and chatting. You are. I mean, as I said last time, we have enough material, written. Have a lot. So, are you ready? Yes?
I guess, yes, I'm ready.
It's good to talk. Please don't open your notes here. Just
okay. Don't open. Okay, I'm putting my notes to the side.
Don't worry, I'm going to help you, but
okay.
Sit to Mokina. Remember Kikongo. When it comes to vowel, Mokena. Yes, certainly. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry too much about the vowels. As long as you know the meaning of the word. Let's say We say Kivu, but I'm from Quilfuta. See the ladies on that picture, my profile. Those two ladies from Quilfuta would say Fula. Kivu question, yes? Fula. So don't worry, Kivu. Kivu is a question. But in my area, Quilfuta say Fula. Yes. Any questions before we start our talk?
Well, no.
No, okay. Okay. Tutondele. Remember the verb tuka. Tuka meaning what's the meaning of the tuka?
Yeah, come from.
Yes, coming from. Okay.
Coming from.
Yes. Okay. We let me try to hold my pen and try to scribble something here. Yeah. So tuka. Kwe. What does kwe mean?
Kwe is where? It's for
yes. Okay. Well done. Kwe tu kidi tatanle. This is my question. Kwe tu kidi.
Kwe tu kidi.
This is my. I'm asking you. Kwe tu kidi. Remember the question because they were talking. It is a location. Remember locative preposition. Yes.
Okay.
As soon as you, I mean, whenever you're talking about location, always remember your first word. What locative preposition? What is it?
Kuokuna.
Yes. Okay. So I'm asking you, kwetu kidi. I'm going to help here because this is not easy. Tuka.
Okay.
Tuka is the verb. Now it is present perfect. Perfect.
Is it
indicative? Yes. Indicative.
Okay. So it's ku Luanda Itatuka.
Yes, no, it's perfect, but I want you to use perfect, because my question was not continuous. Yeah, how to say present continuous? Yes, remember.
You said so. The question is, where am I coming from, right?
It is the verb is your verb is tuka. I didn't ask kwe uta tuka. My question was kwe tukidi. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Those ones. Wow. Okay. So where have I been?
No. The meaning of the verb is still the same. Where you come from, yeah?
Okay. Well, no. Yeah. Where I come from. Okay, but it's
But present perfect indicative. Therefore, first person, the key word is nasal. Remember?
Yeah. Okay. There's a okay. So it should be a.
Try. I know it's hard. Don't worry. Try.
Luanda.
Yes. At least first syllable. So
it'll be a.
I want you to hit the nasal. NTU. Yeah.
Intuka. Intukiri.
Tukidi. Yeah. Well done.
Intukiri.
Yeah. Kumbanza como tukidi. Yeah. I mean.
So is it intukiri or is it
No, be careful because whenever we're using, remember verbs, I mean, it's vary, but let's say everything depends on tense, yes? Because we're talking perfect, present, perfect, indicative, forget the pronouns, standard pronouns, yeah? At least the singular bit. Yeah. Your nasal is your pronoun. We could say that your nasal. Ntugi means your first singular. Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Plural is easy. If I ask you, Kwelutukidi, you many. Where are you coming from? What would be the answer? Kwelutukidi.
Uh,
Cool, yeah, locative, always locative preposition first thing.
Kulwanda
Yeah.
Tudidi. No.
Tutukidi, yes, tutukidi, yes.
Is it Tutukidi? Okay, yeah,
Yes, yes,
Tutukidi, yeah,
tutukidi, yes. Yes.
Tutukidi.
Although it's always easy to use a present continuous. Tutatuka, yes.
Oh wow,
Tutatuka too easy, you know? Tutatuka too easy.
yeah.
Because you just keep your verb as it is, just use ta for your continuous. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Que. Okay, well done. Que is your where, and key. Key is what? Key. Key. Nki. Key.
In key, okay, yeah.
I'm going to ask you a question. Key. What is key?
In key is oh gosh, in key is it an interjection?
It is what?
What? Okay, yeah, in key,
Yeah.
key.
Okay. Remember, your verb is present, perfect, indicative, no standard person pronoun. I mean, the singular part, yes? Dia means
To eat.
yes. Okay, my question is nkididi.
In key D.
Your verb is dia. Remember, the key word is your nasal. You are the first person. Present perfect indicative. Nkididi. I've just arrived. Your home, your place. Kididi. Yes,
Okay.
Kididi. You've eaten something. Kididi.
Madezu Ndidi.
Yes. Well done, bravo. Yeah. We're getting there. Yes. Indeed. Yes. So your nasal is the first person. Okay, you are many. I'm asking you many. Nkilu didi.
Kilo Didi.
Object first, yeah.
Okay. I guess I can just say Madezu Tudidi.
Madezo. Well, bravo, yeah. Because the hardest bit is the first person, see? Because the first person, I mean, it depends on the verb, you see? There's no, how do you call it? There's no pattern, yes? It depends on the verb, yeah. Okay. That's why it's good to be familiar with the verbs, yeah? We go indeed, yeah, dia, first person. Noir means
No, it's to drink.
yes. That becoming hard now. My question is Kinwini. You you try to find try to find your nasal.
Uh, is it gonna be
Nasal first, yeah.
okay?
NDS.
Yeah, ND is it Nuidi? No. Uh, I don't for noir. I
Yeah,
don't.
you could try it. Go again. Yeah, it's hard. It's not easy. Try, do your best. Ndwini. ND.
Nuili or
Ndwini.
Ndwini. Ndwini. Wow.
Did I send the text? Let me just try. Let me stress if I can find. Yeah, I think I did send you a text.
For the
Mm.
I'm sure you did.
No, a long time ago. No. Okay, this is hard. Okay, Ndwini. Yes. What else? Give me 1 minute. I just need to make sure. I lost my phone. Okay, it's gone. Okay. Okay. In key, what? Where?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. D. I just want to. I need to find my file because I don't make mistakes. People are watching. Many people learn like this. See, some people just need to. Remember. Can't find it now. Okay.
Then we do like sala and
Yes. Yes. Those verbs. Said I didn't find my file. Give me 1 minute. I need to find that file. Very important. 'Cause the hardest bit in Congo is, man, for someone who is learning, is not Mukongo. I mean, Congo. Many member Congo don't speak Congo anyway. Present perfect is hard. Then you we call it. Sorry, give me. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, we need your first. Can you think of another verb? Let's see if we can find the.
find another word verb.
Yeah, any verbs if we can find no.
Uh,
Okay, noir, di. Uh,
how about is it Quenda?
well done. Yes, you. Okay. Uh, the question will be continuous, but try to answer perfect. Yes, because continuous is too easy. Okay, if I ask you, uh, okay, quite well. Okay, this is a present perfect anyway. It's negative. Quite well. Quite well. Well
Quenda.
is quenda.
Yeah.
Perfect indicator.
Um, where have I ku ku um
Yeah,
kumba
always good. Good.
yeah ku London
Yeah,
ngiele.
très bien. You need to speak French here. Très bien. Très bien. Okay. Yes, because we just want to remember. Present continuous is too easy. Totally. You just use
Yeah.
your TA. Yes, you don't need to. You just use your TA. Just keep the verb as it is. I don't think it's helpful, because it make us lazy. You become lazy. But here you're trying to push your brain. Yes. Well done. Ngele. Uh, wele. Wele him. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Then okay. First plural. Then where are you going? You many. Where are you going? Ku first. Yeah. Ku some place.
Ku
Yeah.
ku okay ku London Dwele.
Bravo. Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Well done. Yes. I'm trying to. I think I'm going to find my. Yeah. Well done. Okay. Now, I mean, this is a bit hard because correspondence correspond. I don't know how to translate. It's not obvious in English. Quiza, to come, yes. To arrive. Do you remember the verb to arrive?
To arrive.
Yeah.
No, I don't remember that.
Yeah, it is hard.
To arrive.
To arrive, yes.
Hmm.
Luaka.
Luaka.
Tell him Luaka.
Okay. Is it
Luaka,
Luaka?
yes. This one is one.
Okay, Luaka. Okay.
Yes, NWAKA. Are you brave to tell again?
Is it Nwaka or Luaka?
No,
NW.
LW.
Oh,
Luaka, yes.
LW. Luaka. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I've arrived.
I have
Tell him.
arrived.
Yes.
It said Luaka.
It's not easy. Do your best.
Would it be
I remember it should be nasal. Yeah? Go ahead. Yes.
yeah?
ND. ND.
Isn't
Yes. Go ahead.
Luaka?
Yes. You can do it.
I don't know. I don't know. Ndwaka?
Ndweke. Yeah. Ndweke. Yes.
Ndweke.
Yeah. Well done.
Okay.
Because your Luaka is your infinitive. Yes.
Yeah.
Ndweke. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Another verb. Can you figure? Because if you can come up with a verb, I think you will remember that verb. Yes, forever. Don't forget.
I don't know all the verbs we've done. What? We did I don't know, Vova.
Yes, Vova. Okay. Let's go.
Quiza or
Yes. Okay. Mona. Remember Mona. Mona.
yeah to
Mona
see.
means yes. Okay.
Yeah, Mona.
If I ask you to tell Kimwene, remember key is key? Can you translate my sentence? Kimwene. Kimwene.
Key is what, right? What have you seen?
What? Yeah. Correct. Yes. So your answer, Mona.
So how you want me to answer it still in the present
Yes,
perfect?
please. I'm just okay. Kimwene. Tell eh?
Okay, what have you seen?
Yeah, just we need to stick to your remember our rule. Yes, object always first thing.
Okay,
Object. Yes, to make it easy. Yes. Any object.
Okay.
Nuni is bird. Yeah, Nuni.
Okay.
Nuni.
Okay. Nuni. Nuni.
Yes. MB. Your nasal.
Mbwene. Nuni
Yeah.
Mbwene.
Well done. Yeah, you did well. Yeah. Nuni Mbwene. Well, you could say Mbwene Nuni, but just stick to that. Make it easier. Yes. To follow. Remember to follow in Kikongo.
Landa.
Well, the land. Yeah. Remember.
Landa.
Yeah. Your nasal. Yeah. Remember nasal. Okay. Nani. What does it mean, Nani?
Nani. Who?
Well done. Okay. My question will be Nani Lende.
Nani Lende.
Who have you followed?
Who have you followed?
Nani Lende.
Ngudi.
Well done.
Ngudi. Gudindende.
Well done, Dende. Well, bravo.
Gudindende.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Nki, Nki, Nki is always what? Nki, long. What does mean? Longoka, Longoka. What does it mean?
Longoka is that student? No,
What you doing now?
how
Longoka
long
is
it?
what?
Oh, to learn.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah, because I know
yes,
Longoki is the student, right?
yeah. And Longoki, yeah. Longi is teacher.
Long is a
Longoki.
teacher. Yeah. Okay.
The root is the verb longa to teach. Mm. Longoka to learn. Okay.
Longoka.
Uh, what was my question? Mm, okay. Nki Nki Longokele. Mm,
Key.
Longokele. Can you translate? Can you
Key.
translate into English? Nki Longokele.
Um. Long. Okay. So
Yes.
what have you learned?
Correct. Yes. So you answer in Kikongo.
Um.
Object first to make it easy. Object first.
Yeah. Kikongo.
Bravo.
Mm,
ND, eh? NDO, yeah?
Ndo.
Yeah.
Ndo. Ndongo kele. Ndongole.
Bravo, yeah. Kikongo Ndongokele. Okay. Uh, did I ask you, Mona, Kimwene?
Yeah.
Again, Tatan, Kimwene. Bird is Nuni. Mm. Kimwene.
You said bird is Nuni, right?
Yeah, yes. Nuni or Ny. Nuni.
Okay. Nuni. No. Nuni Mbwene.
Yeah, yeah, good, good, yes. Buene Nuni. Nuni Mbuene. Go for
Mbwene Nuni. Okay.
yeah, it's correct. It's either way should be okay. Because I'm saying that because I think last time we talked about that. Because of variant, it's very always hard to know if it's correct or not. Yeah, totally. Hmm? The small things. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah. No, I'm with you.
Yeah. When someone says Mbwenge, you wouldn't say it's wrong.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
No.
No, I got it. Yeah.
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 Mm. Okay. Nata. What the verb nata? Okay, let me just go to each one. Sala, you know this. Sala.
Yeah. Salah is to work, right?
Yes. Okay. To sit. Sit it down. To sit down.
Sit.
Kosoka.
Kosoka.
Yeah, kosoka. Okay. Seva means?
To do what?
Seva. The verb seva.
To laugh.
Yeah, right there, right there. Sompa. Don't look at your notes, Tatan.
Ah.
Sompa. Sompa, two meanings. Yeah? Sompa, to marry. Yes. Or,
I know. We covered this one, but man,
yeah. Remember, to marry or, we live in the West. To marry or to borrow, yes?
to borrow. Okay.
Yeah. Sompa. Toile. To bring.
Okay. To bring.
Bring.
Twala.
Twala. Villa Cana. Ah, Villa Kene. Villa Kene. Villa Kene Vova. I'm going to help you. I'm trying to help you. Villa Kene Vo. Ah, that should be that way. Villa Kene. Uh, Okay. I want you to get this. Mvila kene nzimbu munanzo. Mvila kene nzimbu munanzo. Mvila kene nzimbu zame. Mvila kene nzimbu. Nzimbu is what?
Nzimbu is song, right?
Nzimbu money.
Oh, money. Oh, money. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Mvila kene nzimbu zame. Yeah. Can you translate in English? Mvila kene nzimbu zame.
Okay.
Mvila kene nzimbu zame munanzo.
Okay. So, I left money at home, or
Well done. I've forgotten. Yeah.
forgot.
Forgotten. Yeah. Well done.
Nzo,
Mvila
in
kene.
Joe's
Yeah.
house. Okay.
Yeah. Let me try to go back there. Kuzandu itakwenda. No, I don't want to use ta because okay. Ngele kuzandu kansi mvila kene nzimbu zame munanzo. Long sentence, yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Now take it bit by bit, yeah. Ngele kuna zandu. Yeah. Can you translate this? Yeah.
Ngele.
Remember you did that, the kwenda, yeah? Present perfect. Look at ngele kuna zandu.
Okay. I've gone to the market.
Yes. Kansi mvila kene nzimbu zame.
But I've forgotten.
Nzimbu zame. Well done. Nzimbu zame.
Yeah. My money at home.
Well done. Yeah.
Okay.
You're no longer a beginner. I know you're there. You just, I mean, I can't say that because I could say if you go to Mbanza, Congo, or somewhere where people only spoke Kikongo, I can't say that sadly. See?
No, if it's when it's said slow enough, I can pick out certain words
Okay.
like Nzo,
Yeah.
Zami.
Yeah, you are right because the way natives speak the language, man. Some people, I mean, speaking one thing, teaching other things. Just speak. They take it for granted. Ngele kuna zandu kasi mvila kene so mvila kene nzimbu zame unanzo. Meaning that mvila kene is your vila kana is the verb. Okay. To carry.
Didn't you say it was
To carry.
Did we say that one? I gotta look at my notes.
Don't look look at it. Okay, let me just ask you the question. Okay. Then maybe it's going to help. Key, remember key, huh? What?
Key what?
Yeah. Kinete. Kinete.
What have you carried?
Yes. Then you answer anything. Madezo, yeah?
Madezu.
ND, yeah? Ndete, yeah. Ndete, yes. Well done. I mean, as soon as you, but it's not that easy. If you know your first singular, yeah, Nezo, the rest is just something, just repeats, yes. Because if I say nete, to nete, see?
Yeah, because everything changes to either from E, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're adding the nasal, okay.
Yeah, yes. The first bit is hard, your first singular. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, try to translate me here. It's always hard to make question. Okay, maybe. Let's just say to, just for the sake of learning, maybe it's not that grammatical correct. Term of grammatics is not that correct, but qui sevele. I just want to use the verb sever. Remember, sever means
To laugh.
yeah. Qui sevele. I want you to use your first singular, first person. Qui sevele. Oh, mudiamudi qui sevele. Mudiam. Okay. Anyway, let's translate me. Mudiamudi qui sevele.
What?
Mudiamudi.
You said mudia?
Diambu, I'm talking Diambu, yeah? Diambu is one word.
Okay, Diambu.
Diambudin ki sevele.
What? What have you laughed?
It's just why. It's just why.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so in key in this case, we're using it as why?
Yeah, Mudiamudin ki. This one,
what is it? Why have you laughed? Or
yeah, it is why, but literally it mean what is the cause? That's why you are laughing. Yeah, if literally. See?
Okay.
Yeah. You could say that Mudiamudin ki. What is the cause? Why? Mudiamudin ki sevele. So why? Yes, why have you laughed? Then you answer first singular, of course. You start with the verb straight, go straight, yeah.
I mean, well, let me.
NSES.
So I wouldn't put the object first.
No, don't worry about the objects.
So in sevele.
Yeah. Then you repeat my sentence, Mudiambu, because yes.
Okay, sevele mudiambu.
Yes. Sevele Mudiambu. You're going to translate my sentence. Sevele Mudiambu kiesembwene. Yes. two verbs, remember? Remember two verbs for no present perfect indicative. Tsevele mudiambu kiesembwene. Remember mbwene mona, yes?
Yeah. Okay, so
Tsevele mudiambu. You know kiese?
Kiese is what, joy?
Yeah. Tsevele mudiambu.
So
yes, you start with your verb sevele.
Sevele mudiambu. And then you say kiese buene.
Mbwene, kiese mbwene. Remember mona, kiese mbwene.
Yeah, so I'm laughing.
But in English, you
no. I've laughed because
yes,
I'm
happy. Yes,
I'm happy, or
you could say
because of joy, or
yeah. Translating Bantu language into.
So you wouldn't say because I have seen joy, or I have.
No. Because Kikongo say when you say mbwene kiese, not really sin in Congo, yes.
Okay.
Because I remember what's the verb? Okay, mbwene. In that case, mbwene. You could say if I say mbwene wonga means okay. We use this as a. I'm not sure if you could say.
How do you spell wonga?
Wonga. WONGA. Wonga.
Wonga. Okay.
Yeah, to be afraid. Yes.
Okay, to be afraid.
We use mbwene everywhere. Mbwene wonga. Okay. In this case, the mona is not mbwene as mona is not mbwene mona really. Are you with me totally? We're using.
No, I missed the last part.
Yeah, we're using mona as auxiliary, I mean, quote unquote, yes, because when kiese means kiese is your joy. Literally would be I've seen joy. Yeah, in Kikongo.
I've
Yeah,
seen joy. Oh,
yeah.
I am
You mean
happy.
just I'm happy. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
When wonga, you don't say I've seen. How would you translate?
I've seen fear.
No, mas Kikongo this.
Yeah.
You could even say, although it's not the proper word, word will be funga makasi. Mbwene, yeah, you could say mbwene nganzi. Nganzi, Anger in English, yes? Yeah, telling.
What are you
Nganzi.
saying? Like
Oh, no,
God is that
okay,
anger?
Kikongo, Nganzi, Nganze. You say Z.
Nganze.
Nganze. I, sorry. I.
Nganze.
Nganzi is
Nganze.
anger. Anger, yes?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And Kikongo, he would say, Mbwen. Are you imitating that? We use Mbwen as a.
Yeah. Yeah. It's you
Yeah,
said you're using it like, as an auxiliary, right?
yeah, as a quote and unquote, yeah?
Yeah.
We use Mbwen to say Wonga. Wonga, what else? Nganzi, yeah?
Nganze.
Nganzi. Everywhere. Kiese, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
When the kiese, yeah. Yes. So,
Yes.
in Kikongo, okay, I can't think of a word now, but this is it. Okay, well done, Tatale, yeah?
I like this. This is good. I like this. It's more challenging.
No, yeah, because you have all the data. Are you with me, Tatale? Yes?
Yeah.
Uh, Kikongo, historically, we are, I mean, there's a saying in Kikongo, Akwa kangu katu, what was it? Akwa kangu bakatu, akwa nguba kangu katu. Yes? In Lingala, they say the other way. But when a kingo mayagizati, they say that. But when a mayaka kingo zati. Yes, that's so we got all it is needed. We have it, Bakongo people. Yes. Guess what? People don't learn. See, you wouldn't believe it, but okay. You know, Nkento. What does it mean, Nkento?
Kento is that's woman, right?
Yes. Okay. People always say that Nkento is two words. Nke meaning small, and just give me 1 second. I want to display it again. This is very important. Very important, because we want to clarify something. Nkento, people say that Nkento means Nke small, Nto is source. Yes. Yeah, no source. What is it? You understand French, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, la source. La source. How do you say la source?
The
Fount, yeah? Fountain, yes?
yeah.
Yeah. Let me just try to display. This is critical, and I'm sure people are watching. Want them to. Yesterday we learned. Have you ever heard about Congo de Tuku?
Congo Tuku? No. I know Congo.
Tuku mean Genesis, the beginning.
No.
Congo de Tuku, no? No, totally, no.
No. No. I know Congo the Antote.
Tuku, because. Oh, well done. No, yeah, good. Congo de Totela from, when was that? 14th century. But before that, guess what? Between historians say that between 4th and 8th century ADS. This
Yeah.
is the origin when Congo the took is the no, not the proper Congo, the genesis, the Congo is the beginning of the Congo. Yeah, the Congo
Yeah.
Kingdom.
Oh, the founding or the beginning, right?
Yes, it was founded by two ladies, not two ladies, sorry, four ladies. Yes, Kenge, Tona, Pangala, Konzo. Yes, I'm just want to oh no, I can't do it. Sorry, I can't do it because one week. Let me try if I get one week. Let me see if it's going to work because the settings. I'm testing something. Can you see the? We are vertical. Can you see the?
Yeah. It's like yeah. I think are we on the phone?
No, no, no,
Oh,
no,
it's
no.
different. Okay.
Yeah, we are. I'm just trying. I'm testing something because most people watch on use Instagram. The format is
Oh,
vertical.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. No, yeah. Because that's why I'm
yeah,
noticed it's small. That's what I thought it was.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Let me just try to display my. Where is it? I don't know about the if you'll be able to read it. Let me try to yeah to add it. Are you able to read it, Tatale?
Oh wow, it is
Too
very
small.
small. But
Ah,
I mean,
yes.
I can see it. It says Ndumba, right?
Okay, let me
A
just
woman of middle age often get
I don't want.
gallantly.
Let me just move. Go move. Move. This one. Can you read it? Small.
It's small. Let me see if I can zoom my make my screen bigger. Yeah, no,
Okay.
it's I can't read.
I'm just going to read it for you. Uh, Kento. There are few well-known contracted words among the Bantu languages, such as Nkento, a woman. Guess what? Nkento comes from Nkazintu, or Nkazimuntu. Hmm? Kazi means, how do you say it in English? Kazi means not mate, but family member, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could say mate, family member, all this,
Oh,
yeah?
relative.
Relative, yes. Yes, relative, yeah. Well done. Kazimuntu, which is found as Amukazendu in Herero. I think Amukazendu is language in Herero, Damarand. Herero people are in south of Angola, yes? So,
Okay.
in Kento, this is the origin. But people, because, let me go back, because people, it is a tradition, sadly. We rely on word of mouth than reading
Written.
the
Yeah.
yeah that's so if my great said that Kento mean small fountain and then my dad said that, okay, it's true. This is what people have been saying for a long time, so we are teaching that this because we want people to know that it's not true. Kento does not mean a small fountain. Yeah, can you see this one? This one should be
Yeah,
big, yeah.
I can see that. Yeah.
Yeah. This is my French class yesterday. Kento, ce n'est pas nke. Because nke means small. Kikongo. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
To means fountain. So people, this is, I mean, ahead of that, when was that? Late 70s. Yes, someone used to say that, but it is wrong, absolutely wrong. But guess what? People believe in that, yes?
Hmm.
People believe that it's true that Nkento means small fountain. No, no, no. Nkento means like okay, I forgot to read to you the other word. Kuluntu, yes,
Include yeah.
kuluntu, totally.
Yeah, like older. Yeah.
Yeah, but yes, kuluntu, an elder from kulumuntu. Hmm? No, muntu, muntu, human, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually connotation with man and ntu. Nkulu means nkulu. Any idea?
Nkulu.
Nkulu.
Uh, hmm. The
Old,
only thing
old, old, old,
Okay. Okay.
old. Yes, nkulu. That's why when we say nkulu to mean elder. Yes. So nkulu comes from nkulu muntu. So kento is not small sauce, small sauce, small fountain, not in petit source in French. No, 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 no. Kento is from Kento means Kazi Muntu, or you could translate into Ma. Yeah, Kazi Muntu, yeah, this is the origin. Kazi Muntu, Kazi Ntu. Ntu is head, yeah. Kazi Ntu mean man companion, yes?
Oh, okay.
Yes. And guess what? In the Bible, is we have the same meaning, yes? Man companion. In Kikongo, in our language, is same thing. Man companion. Well done, Tetanle. Oh, by the way, let me quickly. These are the ladies, yeah? These are the ladies. The four ladies. Kenge Pangala, yeah, Tsokonzo. Nous sommes un royaume féminin. We are a feminine kingdom, yeah? These are the founders, yeah? The four ladies. So when we were talking about feminism movement, yes? How do you call it? Feminism, yes. We were there. Our forefathers were there before. We know, ladies, we by Congo respect woman. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. So the kingdom, Congo that Tuku means Congo, original Congo. When was I think, I don't have it on this one. Uh, yes, I think I wrote somewhere. Where is it? No, I think, oh, I've lost it. Yes, between 4th and 8th century. So long time, not today. Total. Yeah, anyway, Ndumba. Can you read it? Is it too small today?
Yeah, I can see it a little bit. Nduma, a woman of middle age,
Yeah, yeah.
is often spoken of
Often,
Ndumba.
yeah, yeah. Very good word, yeah, but remember Lingala has changed living.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Kediambuko. Can you translate me totally? Kediambuko.
No worries.
Yeah, never mind, yeah.
Yeah,
Kediambuko.
never mind. Yeah, no worries. Never mind. Hey,
Yeah.
I have something that that
Go ahead, totally.
can you see it? Can you see it? My screen?
Wow, Afonso. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me see if I can.
It's a new book
What?
that just came out.
Wow. Can you display it again, totally, please? Wow. Afonso Mbemba is in Mvemba Anzinga. Wow.
Yeah.
Where did you buy it?
I just got it last week. I saw someone had it on Facebook. They were showing it. So then I was because I have other books too. Like with the foundation or the founding of Banza Congo, some of
Okay.
like the different kings,
Okay.
the kingdom. So I ordered it. So I'm
Okay.
gonna
Oh,
start
wow.
reading
That's
about it.
good.
It's actually it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It
Can
goes
you
into
send me
the
a link, please?
correspondence between. Yes. A
Yeah,
link.
totally.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead, please.
You know,
Oh, I've lost you, totally. Are you there,
oh,
totally?
I'm here.
Yes. You were saying is what is the book about? Is it fun? Is it about Banza Congo? The words Banza Congo. Yeah, I can hear you. Totally. Can you hear me, Totally?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, you were talking about the book. What is the book about?
It's about I just started reading. It's about correspondence. A lot of the letters that was written. But it goes into a lot of about basically about his life and his correspondence.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Well done, Totally. Well done. Okay. Uh, Thank you very much, Totally. Have a good week.
Sure, you
See
too.
you. See you Sunday. Yo,
All
you,
right.
Yo.
I'll be ready.
Yo, you. When I say yo, you, what do you answer me? Yo, you. You
Oh,
said the same thing. Yo, you mean ciao. Yo, you, eh?
oh, yo. Okay, yo.
Ciao. Bye. See you.
Okay.
Timba, Kaimbe Temba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Boko. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu.